This tutorial will explain how you can get the I Too Have the Power trophy in Jeanne d'Arc. For this trophy to unlock, a non-armlet wielder character needs to activate Godspeed. This can be done after you beat the second season of the Colosseum in the post-game. If you need help with these fights, then you can check out the links to my video tutorials for them in the description. By completing the second season, you will get the Godspeed Skillstone. Equip the skill to any party member that is not an armlet wielder. The trophy should then be unlocked when you defeat an enemy and Godspeed is activated. If this video helped you out, then you can show your support for this channel by clicking on the like button.